Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. Today we'll be taking a look at the Roborock H6. The H6 is the newest model to come from Roborock and also their first cordless stick vacuum. How well does it clean? Let's go ahead and find out now. According to our research, 99.3% of you are not subscribed and obviously hate us. Let's see if we can get that number down to just 99% so it'll match my internal level of self-hatred. The H6 is Roborock's first entry into cordless stick vacuums, and it's designed to rival Dyson's V series. The H6 can function as a cordless stick or a cordless handheld. There are two versions of the H6 available: the Roborock H6 Adapt and the H6 Soft. The H6 Adapt is the standard version available in the US, and it includes the multi-surface cleaning head that can be used for carpets and hard surfaces. The H6 Soft includes a soft roller brush ideal for hardwood floors and other indoor hard surfaces. According to Roborock, you will be able to purchase the soft roller brush separately if you want both. The H6 also includes an OLED that provides details about cleaning cycles. The screen shows lock and unlock, remaining battery power, current cleaning mode, and maintenance alerts. The H6 is 45 inches long and 9.8 inches wide. It weighs 5.4 pounds. As far as cleaning technology, the Roborock H6 has a 5-stage filtration system that will capture allergens like mold, dust mites, pet dander, pollen, and more. The suction of the H6 is up to 150 air watts on max mode. This is more than the Dyson V10, but less than the V11 and V11 outsize. Check the link in the description if you're interested in buying the Roborock H6. We tested the Roborock H6 on 3 different floor types and against 4 different debris types. All of our cleaning tests for the H6 were done on max suction mode with the multi-surface brush roll. The H6 did a good job on all floor types. The overall debris removal score for the H6 was a 95%. This is equivalent to what we saw on our Dyson V8 animal cleaning test. It's not quite at the level of the Dyson V10, V11, and V11 outsize, all of which removed 99% of debris in our tests. On hardwood floors, the H6 struggled a bit with large debris. It pushed the cereal forward and made it harder to suck up all the debris. Despite the difficulties with cereal, it still removed 94% of total debris with 80% of cereal removed. If you do find that you need to clean large debris on hard surfaces often, you may consider purchasing the additional soft roller head, which is designed for better performance on hard surface flooring. On low carpet, the biggest struggle was finer debris, specifically the small granules of sugar that got trapped in carpet fibers. The H6 was only able to remove 88% of total sugar in our test, but scored a 96% overall for low carpet. High carpet was a similar situation for the H6, where it again struggled with sugar deep in the carpet. The H6 removed 88% of sugar and removed 96% of total debris from high pile carpets. During our test, we noticed difficulties on some carpet types, specifically the extremely low pile carpet in our studio. The H6 kept increasing the suction level on the carpet, which caused the brush roll to stop spinning in some cases. We also noticed the H6 can sometimes get clogged when cleaning large debris. We saw this with pieces of cereal that got stuck in the tube and had to be manually cleared. The Roborock H6 comes with a large number of accessories. It includes the spiral bristle brush roll, as well as a charger and wall mount. It also includes a small dusting brush, motorized mini brush, crevice tool, and flex tube. The 2-in-1 design of the H6 makes it both versatile and easy to use. The tools and attachments can be clicked in easily, allowing the user to switch from stick to handheld mode quickly. The flex tube is a tool that is less common among most stick vacuums. It can attach to the crevice tool or dusting brush for extra versatility, making it easier to clean hard-to-reach areas and navigate small spaces. The H6 battery runs for up to 90 minutes on eco mode and about 10 minutes on max mode. Actual runtimes depend on floor type and debris type. The Carpet Boost feature allows the H6 to detect carpeted floors, and it automatically boosts up to max mode. One feature that sets the H6 apart from Dyson is the lock-on feature, which allows the vacuum to run continuously without the user needing to hold the trigger down. The maneuverability of the H6 is good for most household cleaning. It's lightweight and can make tight turns. For overall longevity, the H6 is supposed to maintain 80% battery capacity after 400 cycles, according to Roborock's lab tests. Keeping the H6 running smoothly comes down to a few simple tasks. You'll need to empty the dustbin, charge the battery, and wash the filters. Both the front and rear filters are washable. This helps to extend the lifespan of the filters, limiting costs for replacements. So, should you buy the Roborock H6? I recommend the Roborock H6 to anyone who wants a quality alternative to Dyson. With a good selection of cleaning tools and attachments, an OLED display, and quick release attachments, there's a lot to like on the H6. It checks many of the boxes I look for in a good cordless stick. I also recommend the H6 to those who want a good value. The H6 strikes a nice balance between good cleaning performance and decent price. It's not as powerful as the Dyson V11, but with solid cleaning scores, the H6 is well worth the price. And finally, I recommend the Roborock H6 if you want lots of accessories. You can use the H6 in a variety of ways to clean your entire home. The flex tube and multiple attachment tools make it easy to use and a versatile vacuum. Well guys, that is it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments or questions, please drop us those notes down below. If you're interested in buying the H6, we've got a link in the description. If you'd like to see more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching. Hey guys, Derek here from QuarantineHaircuts.com. Today we'll be reviewing my haircut.